and you also can enable this margin and you can disable this margin by going to view menu. From the view menu there is an option known as whether you want the rulers or not. So if you want to uncheck the ruler, it will be hidden, and just check the box to get it back. So this is a working area where you can write the document and just press enter, and this is a place that where you are preparing your documents. In the footer you have the status bar where you can see your current running page one after one, and the total words available in this page and the language that you are using in this document. And the right hand side you can see the page view options. If you wanted to view in the reading mode, you can simply click on this read mode option. If you open the file in read mode, just view it. You cannot modify the data in this mode. It is just only for view purpose, and you can simply press right arrow and left arrow to navigate from one page to other page. Yeah. And again I'll just click on the print layout where you can see how it is going to print on the paper, and you also can edit the document in this mode. And the next one is that the web page mode. If you wanted to see how it look like on the internet web page, you need to click on this web page, so it will be simply turned into the web page mode. And to bring it back, simply click on the print layout mode, and you can see that last one, the zoom bar, where you can increase the size of the page and where you can decrease the size of the page. Ensure that I am not increasing the font size, but I am just increasing the total page size by just making it zoom. That's it. So this is the zoom handler where you can move it to up and down. Yeah, I'll just keep it in the middle side. And presently we are working in document number 1. If you wanted to open any other files that are available in this computer, and just simply go to file and click on to open the document which are available somewhere. So I'll just click on open, and it is giving me a chance to choose the location from where you want to open. So I'll just go to this PC. From this PC I will be opening a drive. So from this PC I will be opening tax or even GST-R1 data which is available in this document. Presently I am opening a GST-R1 data. So now the data is going to import. That is a new file. Presently I am working in document number 1, document number 2 and document number 3. Right now I have opened a file which is available in my computer. The file name is what? The GST-R1 data, right? So again you can close these files even by clicking on the close button, or you also can go to file and click on close to close the same, and you also can press Alt plus F4 from the keyboard to do the same. And if you don't want to right now I am clicking on home or insert or even a design or even any layout using mouse, right? So what if you wanted to navigate the same without using mouse? In that specific case we can just press F6 from the keyboard, so that the navigation tool will be activated, so that the navigation tools will be open. Now if you wanted to go to home, just press H, and if you wanted to go to insert, and just press N. So right now I'm going to press N from the keyboard, so I'll be navigated to insert. From the insert, if you wanted to insert shapes, and just press S and H, so I'll be activating the shapes. I can select any one from here to insert the same. Yes. So this is how you can navigate from one place to other place using F6. F6 is for navigator without using mouse. And yes, you also can use the right arrow to go to page down and up arrow to go to page up, and you also can use right and left to move from right side to left side, or left side to right side. And you can press home button to reach your blinking cursor to the first line in the first page, and you also can press N to reach your button to end. And you also can use the page down and the page up options to move from up to down, again down to up. In the